Hi guys, I just received the Pinchme package. It's not too much in the package. I just wanted to show you what I received, so the video won't be as long. Please, I just want to say please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Now the first thing I received, and it's not a sample, but I received a coupon to receive a free salad dressing. So it's for, it says free anyone twist ranch flavor, and it comes in a variety. Wow, it does. It comes in a variety. I can't read all of, what it says, but it's 5 different flavors. And I get this free for the, I just take it to the store and give them this coupon. And it expires 1/1/2020. So yeah, can't wait to try this. Then the next item that I received from Pinchme is Heinz, and it says so deliciously creamy. And this is mayonnaise. And it's for it's a sandwich spread. And this is what it looks like. And they also gave me this. This came with it, and it says Heinz Unforgettably Creamy. And this is what this looks like. And it comes with a coupon. And it expires 12/31/2019. And this is what it would look like. And I get $2.50 off. And the next item that I received is called Snuggles Plus Super Fresh. And this isn't from, I don't think I got this from Pinchme. It didn't say, it just came in a little packaging like this. And this says Snuggles Plus, and it's super fresh. And it says scent shakes, snuggle freshness, snuggly freshness. Sorry about that. And it says odor eliminating technology. Scent shakes original. And this is what it looks like. They're showing. And so the back says scent shakes and wash scent booster. And it's supposed to last 100 days of freshness. I can't wait to try this. And so what you do is you put it in your washer before adding the clothes. Okay. And it's supposed to help capture and block tough odors, release a powerful fresh scent. And again, this is what this looks like. So this is a free sample that I received. And I also received this little card that came with it. Eliminates odors. 100, and it said provides 100 days of freshness. And the back, it doesn't have a coupon, but this is just what came with it. And so that goes there. So these are the things that I received. 2 of them from Pinchme, and I guess I must have filled out a form or something. When I find out what it's from, I'll put it in my description. But yeah, these 2 are from Pinchme. And I just wanted to show you the free stuff that I received. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe or give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again, like I said, for watching. Goodbye.